Pretty much every game object is going to have two components, a rigid body and a collider. Robert here doesn't have either of those, so you'll see when I run the game, he's kind of just going to sit there. So if you click on your object, then click this box that says add component, you can add attributes to your game objects that will make them behave in certain ways. A rigid body is designed for your object to be affected by forces like gravity and drag, or other forces you might add to your character like movement. You'll see now if I run the game, Robert's now affected by gravity. Let's add a second old man Stanley. If we run the game again, you'll see Robert fall straight past Stanley's muscular frame. That's because neither of these objects have colliders. A collider makes an object present in the world. So if you just type in collider 2D, you'll see that you have plenty of options to add to your objects. I'm just going to add the box collider 2D. And then if you use this edit collider button here, you can control the amount of distance you want between your collisions. So if I moved it all the way out here, an object would collide with Robert out here. Whereas if I moved it back to near the picture, this is where the collision would happen. Now we've purposely not given Stanley a rigid body, as I doubt this specimen of a man is affected by forces anyway. Let's see what happens when the game's run.
Suck on those sour eggs. Like and subscribe.